So here we're asking if a function is increasing or decreasing. So I have two functions. This is a linear function, and here we have a quadratic function, which is a parable. So the question is where is the function increasing and where is the function decreasing? Whenever you ask the question where in mathematics, you are asking for x values. So we're going to look at the x-axis. Now here, this function, you might say, well, it looks like it's headed down, but it also looks like it's headed up. So which one is it? Well, it's increasing because we read from left to right. We start with the least and go to the greatest. And so from left to right, if we travel in that direction, we're headed up. So the function is increasing everywhere on the entire x-axis. Okay, so this function is increasing on the entire x-axis, which is minus infinity to infinity. All right, now here we have a function that is both increasing and decreasing. So when we ask the question where, our answer is going to be based on x values. So again, we're going from minus infinity to infinity, and you'll notice that as I travel from left to right, if I follow the curve of the function, it's increasing vertically. It's getting higher and higher. But at this point, suddenly, it's decreasing out as I continue to move from left to right. So something happens here, a change happens at 2. Notice that I didn't say at 3. That 3 is the height. Okay, so it reaches its maximum value of 3 at 2. Whenever you ask the question where, you're always going to give an answer from the x-axis. So I'm going to imagine the shadow that's cast by this function. If the sun were, let's say, straight overhead, where would, and so basically the function exists everywhere from 2 and then from negative infinity up to 2, it's increasing. And then at this point, it starts decreasing. So from minus infinity to 2, it's increasing. And you can't see my writing, so I'm going to rewrite that. All right, so from minus infinity to 2, it's increasing. And then from 2 to infinity, it's decreasing. So if you're not sure how to answer the question where, just remember you need to look at the x-axis and don't worry about what's happening vertically except for the increasing or decreasing part. So the function values are going up on this interval, which is on the x-axis, and they're going down on this interval, which is also on the x-axis. Just remember where, look at your x-axis when you're asking that question.